there, folks. Welcome to Advisory. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we are back on our grind with our How to Be a Longhorn. And today we're going to be talking about classroom management as well as our computer policy and some online resources that are going to be helpful for you throughout the year. First, let's talk about classroom management. All right, that just means how things are run in your classroom. Every teacher is going to have some set guidelines or boundaries or expectations for you as a student in their class. And you've probably already heard those expectations from them during the first week, but this is a general framework of expectations for students in W.T. White classes. Number one is be on time. We talked a lot about that last week in a video. You got to be on time to class. If you're late, that means you're missing whatever the start of the class is, and it might be harder to catch up. Be prepared. Bring whatever your teacher asks you to bring to class every day. Be respectful. This means to show respect for the teacher, fellow students, and yourself while you're in a classroom here at W.T. White. And perhaps most importantly in class, make sure that you're avoiding any kind of behavior that distracts yourself or others from the lesson or task. It's important not to distract yourself, but it's also very important not to distract everybody else because they are here for the same reasons you are, which is to learn. So those are the guidelines for when you are in class. But of course, pay attention to the rules and expectations in each of your teachers' individual classes as well. Many of your classes will have a cart full of Chromebooks in them for use in that class, or your teacher may check out a cart from the library. We started this process last year where instead of sending computers home with you and having you remember to bring it up every day and remember to have it charged, we keep the computers here overnight in those carts. So these are the expectations when using computers here on campus. Only use the device that is assigned to you. Your teacher should have a numbered list of which number you use every time you come to that class, so make sure you're only using that one. Treat the devices with respect, understanding that you're not the only one who needs to use it that day. Make sure that it stays clean and in good working condition for the next person who needs it. Leave all computers in the class that they belong to. Do not remove computers for any reason whatsoever. Those computers are for that room, and so they need to stay in that room. If you see something wrong with a device or it's not working properly, make sure you tell your teacher as soon as possible so that we can get it fixed. And finally, make sure that you are following all of your teacher's instructions and expectations regarding when you're going to use the devices in class and how you're going to use the devices. Finally, today I want to share a couple of online resources. These are going to be things that you will use quite frequently throughout your time here at W.T. White. The first thing is the Dallas ISD portal. You can find it by going to portal.dallasisd.org. This is the one-stop shop for everything Dallas ISD. Any resource that is provided by the district can be found in one place. This is PowerSchool, your Dallas ISD email, Clever, School City, and all sorts of other things. When you go to your portal, it'll look something like this. Mine looks a little bit different because I am a teacher. You can see all sorts of applications by going through your dashboard and to the applications and bookmark anything you want. And we also have our own site here at W.T. White that we call Longhorn Country. Longhorn Country is going to be everything that parents and students need to know. It's got our bell schedule, calendars, advisory materials, mental health services, testing, the student handbook, and lots of other very important resources. Anytime we need to get something out to all parents and students, we put it up on Longhorn Country. And hopefully you've seen it by now, but this is what it looks like. If you're looking for something specific, you can maybe find it here in the quick links area. This is the most often used stuff for parents and students. And if you're looking for something specific, it's probably going to be in one of these tabs. So make sure you bookmark Longhorn Country. You can find it anytime by typing Longhorn Country into Google, and we are the first thing that pops up. Take that, University of Texas at Austin. We're the real Longhorns. But that's all I have for you today with how to be a Longhorn. Today, you're going to be making a treatment agreement with your fellow classmates in your advisory class. You're going to do one for your A-Day advisory class and tomorrow for your B-Day advisory class. You may see another video from me about how to do it, or your teacher may just take you through it. These treatment agreements are a great way for you as students to have a say in how you want the classroom environment to be throughout the rest of this year. You can find all that on the next slides. I'll see you tomorrow for some more How to Be a Longhorn. Until then, be good to yourself and others, and I'll see you real soon.